Hey guys, Hasib here, just making this quick video about GoHighLevel calendars. So we know how there is a time zone picker option. So if someone's going to book a date and time for an appointment booking through a GoHighLevel calendar, they have the option to select their time zone. That works for global businesses if you are dealing with people or leads or prospects from many different countries. But for local businesses, it makes sense to cut the time zone. And like for example, if I'm working with a gym or a martial arts studio, and I'm accepting free intro class bookings, what I would do is I would lock the time zone, because by mistake people can select a different time zone and then book an intro class, and then they appear at that time, they see there are no intros, maybe the gym isn't even open, right? So in order to skip that kind of in order to handle that kind of scenario, what I would do is, let's go to settings and then let's go to calendars first, so I can show you what I'm talking about. So let's say I'm working with this book an appointment with company X team, and I want to share. I just want to show you the time zone picker option right now, which is available Europe London, because I'm in the London time zone. That's why it's showing me Europe London. If someone was in EST, they would see the EST time zone and the times according to the EST time zone here, right? So if this was a local business and I was only dealing with people from around my area, I would just go to business profile. I would just go and select this disable contact time zone, and that will get rid of this time zone picker. As you can see, it's gone now, but this actually means that people won't be able to pick a time zone, which isn't necessary for local businesses dealing with just local prospects, right? So hopefully that made sense, and I will see you in the next one.